Now let's look at question number 4. In this question, we have been asked to draw a pair of tangents which are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So before getting into the phase diagram of this, let us look at the rough diagram. Let me consider a circle. What they have given in the question is there are two tangents. We do not know where the external point is, but considering two tangents, these two tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. This is what is being given in the question, and we do not know where this point is. We do not know how far this point is from the center. Okay, we just know that the angle made between the two tangents is 60 degree. That's all we know. Let us assume the points of contact as A and B. So since we do not know the distance of the point P from O, we cannot start the diagram from outside. So we have to start the diagram from inside. So how are we going to do that? In the rough diagram, let me join the two points of contact to the center. So we know pretty well that these two angles will be 90 degree because the tangent will be perpendicular to the radius. So we know these two angles will be 90 degree. So now when we use the concept of angle sum property of a quadrilateral, that is angle P plus angle A plus angle O plus angle B. When we add all these four, we will be getting 360 degree because that is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now angle P is 60, angle A is 90, angle O is O, we do not know, angle B is 90, is equal to 360. So when we add them, we will be getting 240. Now 240 plus angle O will be equal to 360. So therefore the angle O will be 360 minus 240, which will be 120 degree. So with this angle we are going to start the diagram. So how are we going to do that? Let us get back to the phase diagram. So we know that the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So we are going to take 5 centimeters using the compass. And then let us take some point here. So from this point, taking 5 centimeter as radius, let us draw a circle. So this is the main figure, and now we know that we are going to draw two tangents from an external point which are inclined at an angle of 60 degree as per the rough diagram. So how are we going to do this? We are going to start from within. So now according to the calculations that we have done, we know this angle is 120. So what we are going to do is we are just going to join one of the radius and we are going to replicate whatever is there in the rough diagram here. So how are we going to do that? So here the angle is 120 degree. So let us try to draw 120 degree here. So we know this is going to be 60 and this is going to be 120. Now once you have drawn 120 degree, just join this. So this will be our 120 degree. Let me take this point as A and this point as B and this point as O. So this part of the diagram we have completed. So this angle will be 120 degrees. Now as you can see on the rough diagram, here the angle is 90 degree and here also the angle is 90 degree. So what we are supposed to do is we are going to extend this radius a little bit, and here also we are going to extend the radius a little bit. Now from B towards the left side we are going to draw 90 degree. So how are we going to do that? Is let us draw a semicircle from B towards the left, and let us draw a semicircle from A towards the left. From A towards the left we will draw another semicircle. Like this. Let me join this just a minute. Yeah. So now what we are going to do is from this point we need to draw 90 degree. So I'm just cutting an arc here, and similarly from this point I'm cutting an arc. So basically we are trying to draw 90 degree here. Similarly from this point we will cut an arc, and from this point we will be cutting an arc. We can also draw the 90 degree using 60 and 120 by bisecting 60 and 120 as well. Here we have chosen the other method. Now we are going to join this, and similarly from this point we are going to join this. So when we extend these two, they will be meeting at an external point, which is the required point P. Now when we measure this angle, we will automatically get 60 degree. So though they have given 60 degree in the question, we cannot start from outside since we do not know the distance of the point from the center. So we are starting it from the inside. So here it is 120, this angle will be 90, this angle will be 90. So automatically 60 degree will be formed outside the circle. And now let me measure the value of PB and PA. I am getting this as 8.8 and I am getting PA also as 8.8. So we'll be concluding by writing PA is equal to PB is equal to 8.8 centimeters. Thank you.